respectable judges. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, my name is Wahid Ali. I come from Ur. SMP Jadi would like to show you my greatest story we maybe you never heard before. So, let's watch and listen my story. The story of Nabil and Alex. This story was start in a junior high school. There was a new student named by Nabil. Nabil was student who was moved from another school. On the first day when Nabil was getting school, he was very happy because he could have many friends there. But on the other side, there was a student, very recognized, the real student of the school. He was Alex. He had many friends who always followed him. Alex and his friend was recognized as guru of his staff and student of the school. Because of that, the students were afraid to meet Alex and his friend. One day, Nabil and his friend were walking to the class to start the lesson. In sudden, Nabil didn't mean to hit Alex who was going on from his class. Nabil's friend, who saw it, immediately all ordered him to apologize. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to hit you. I'm gonna go someone to my class. What? You always say sorry? Don't you know me, big boy? You need to do more than just say sorry. Always something will happen to you. After that, Alex left Nabil and his friend. Meanwhile, Nabil and his friend continue went to their class. After that incident, now Alex was angry at Nabil and went praying to the pitch. He gathered all his friends and told them what was happened to him. Then Alex ordered all his friends to bring them to the place and strike him. After that, Alex will give them much money. By hearing that, all Alex's friends were happy and continue and follow what is ordered. Since that, Alex ordered all his friends and ordered bring them to the place. For all my friends, I mean to bring Nabil and order to strike him. After that, I will give you my money. Alright, sir. Everything I will give for you. In the next day, Nabil went to his class with his friend. But he was very surprised when he arrived at his class. There were many people waiting for him, and one of them ordered him to sit down. But in sudden, Nabil was pushed, and his hand was held by them. Till Nabil was stricken many times by them till he was being weak. Yeah, yeah. Oh, stop it, please. Ah, stop it, please. After that incident, after that incident, Nabil did not go to school, and a few days later, Nabil's teacher asked to Nabil's friend what was happening to Nabil. Then Nabil's friend told all that incident that with Nabil. Since then, Alex was dropped out from his class, from his school, with some of his friends. Finally, Alex was regret his action and promised not to do that action again. So, the story was the end. Maybe you can take a little more for you from the story. That is, make our environment better without bullying. So, maybe that's my main last I say, stop bullying, stop violence, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.